Ah, yes. Once again, the good old Sharpie. And of course, one of my favorites, the Strathmore sketchbook. So I was thinking today while I was drawing about all the different hobbies I have. And I realized that I have a lot of hobbies. It's difficult at times to try to pick between all the different hobbies that I have because I go from drawing to doing photography to writing to poetry, and then I start painting and I do realism drawing, and then I start doing abstract. And doing all these different hobbies, it's really hard to try to find a place for each of them when drawing is the one that takes up most of my time. Drawing is always going to be the center of all of my hobbies. It's my main one, it's my main focus. And I'm really picking up a lot on photography, and I'm really enjoying it. Doing the photography is allowing me to get better at making videos. It's allowed me to understand aperture, ISO, shutter speed, f-stops, and all that on the camera, so that while I'm recording, I can record at a better quality. But at the moment, mostly just working on drawing, doing photography, and really having fun doing this. I'm learning a lot about it, and it's a lot more difficult than I thought it would be, but it just kind of depends on what you want to photograph. And I really had fun doing this drawing. This is a quick, short drawing of what looks like a fish to me, abstract with a Sharpie. Always like doing my strange abstract drawings with a Sharpie. But thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know. Check out my other content below in the links, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.